Southside home located just 2 blocks from the hospital. This 3-bedroom 1.1 bath has all the charm and character you are looking for. Beautiful natural woodwork is throughout the home. The living room is cozy with built-ins and fireplace. The formal dining room features a bay window with window seat. The kitchen has been updated with new appliances, countertops, lighting and backsplash. Exposed brick and custom ceilings in the kitchen add to the character and charm of this home. Plenty of storage in the back pantry area. Upstairs you will find 3 nice-sized bedrooms. The back bedroom has a large dressing room and balcony overlooking the backyard. The walk-up attic will provide you with plenty of storage. The full basement was used as a workshop, and has a toilet and laundry area.